Hello, I'm here. First of all, I'd like to apologize for all this. I'm kind of sick right now. And if you guys are wondering why I am in my living room, because there's this giant window right there that washes me out a little bit, so you can't quite tell how sick I am. Also, cough drop. Ignore it. So, today we are doing Marvel Collectible. I'm so pumped. I'm so pumped. And I can, hear things moving around in there. I came a little bit late, because I know other people already got them. I already found out what the pop is. But for the sake of the unboxing, I'm going to save that to the end. I don't know everything in here, so let's just do this. Ready? Oh, that was supposed to be a lot more slick than it was. Oh no, come back. Oh, nice. Oh no, I should have worn my Captain Marvel dress. I should have done that, not my swimming pod shirt. Whoops. Okay. It is a Miss Marvel patch. That's really cool. I actually really like that one. And a... Oh, nice. Haha. Isn't that Spider-Woman, right? Yeah. Let's open this shit up. It's just the little, pamphlet. I don't like to look at that, though. It's a Gwen. It's Gwen. Okay. This I can get behind. Yeah. I'm not too, up to date with the Spider-Verse, but I follow it from, a distance. Oh. But I know Gwen's awesome. I'm so pumped about that, actually. Alright, keep going. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Anything with Electra on it, I can get behind. Alright, and then the pop, which I've already shown, I've already seen. It's a squirrel girl. This is kind of cool. I'm not entirely sure how I feel about this, just because I don't know much about Squirrel. I'll probably look her up, though. Yeah, this is cool. Her squirrel is so cute. Look at the little... It's so little. Aww. Yeah. The box is really nice, though. It feels, heavier than most pop boxes. But... Squirrel girl. Whoa. And then... Oh. Okay, so it's not even a mystery mini. It's just... Okay, I saw these and I thought that they were going to be mysteries, right? No, they already say what they are. So we have a She-Hulk and a Captain Marvel. Let's open them up. This is no fun. So there's the She-Hulk. Oops, please. Her head's off. So her head's awkwardly to the side, and I don't really know how to feel about that. Work. It's like that. Nope. It's way over there. Okay. That's interesting. Yeah. Now for Captain Marvel. Wait, her head's on normal. That's actually really cool. So yeah, these are pretty awesome. I just kind of wish She-Hulk's head wasn't so like, There we go. That's so weird to me. Like, hang on. Like, it's literally all the way to the side. That's so weird. Why are you like this? Captain Marvel, I love her. She's pretty awesome. Trying to like look at it better. Okay. So going through everything. We have patch, pen, comic book, Spider-Man t-shirt, this little pamphlet thing that shows us oh cool. It's kind of fun because they're showing us some of like the design concepts that they had. Yeah, so then we have the 2 minis, and that's it. And it means an empty freaking Women of Power Marvel Collectible box. Let's just close it for dramatic effect. There we go. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go die because I'm sick. And, yeah, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Oh, and expect a video about my 21 Pilots experience. I'm probably gonna make that today too, but I won't upload it for another couple of days because, yeah. So, bye.